Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is another weekly vlog. I've been doing a lot of vlogging. Today we're gonna do the Galette des Rois. It's a little bit late, we know. I also vlogged the day that we ate the official one. It was like on January 5th, I think. So I was saying we're gonna do a Galette des Rois because last time we got it, if you watched the video, we didn't get the king inside, and I don't know if we're even gonna put a king today. Are we gonna put a king? Anyway, we'll do it for fun. Why not? So yeah, the recipe is really easy. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make it, and it's the first time making it. It's our first time making it, so hopefully works out. So we put parchment paper in like a very big tray. And then we're gonna use like pre-made puff pastry French style. And you have to make it into 2 circles. One is for the bottom and one is for the top. بحشيها بس بالنص أنا بدي أجرب كتير. Okay, so now we have like a circle, and this is when we have to poke it in a fork. Some holes everywhere so it can breathe. We need 140 grams. Oh, what did I do? Okay, we need 140 grams of almond powder. I like to have a lot of filling inside the galette, so you can do you can always add more. It's not like an issue if you do more filling. 157 grams of almond powder, and so I'm gonna use all of them. And if I feel like the mixture is too thick, I'm just gonna add some butter or whatever. We're gonna add 100 grams of sugar, like fine sugar, I guess. Okay, you need 75 grams of butter, and don't melt it. These are too small, so I might put 3. I don't know. Anyways, so you need 2 eggs. Okay, I'm gonna add a very small one just because our eggs are small. Okay, and I'm gonna add it to everything. I cut the butter into smaller pieces just so will melt faster. Yeah. Gonna keep going for a bit. Alright guys, when you're done, you're gonna place the mixture in the middle, but not on the edges, so just in the middle basically. So this is when you add the king and queen, or just one. You can do 2 or 1. So we're just gonna do this little goat or something. It's like a cow, because we don't have a king and queen, and just gonna put it anywhere like this. Now we're just gonna take the second piece and place it on top. Okay, now you're just going to press it on the sides with your finger. Okay, now that we're here, we're gonna draw like a flower, kind of like leaves. This is what usually people do. You use a knife, and you don't have to, don't cut too deep. Okay, that's it. And then you're gonna take So I just put it in the oven on 200 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. And I don't know what it's gonna look like. Hopefully it looks good, but I'm sure the taste is amazing. If you love almond, you should definitely try it. Ooh. Ooh, it's so pretty. I think I want to take this piece because I feel like King is inside there. Do you think I got the king? Guys, I think I cut the king. I think it's him, right? Yes! Wait, is it him? Yeah, it's him. It's his ass. Okay, let's try it. Hey guys, I just came to the post office and I got like a light for... Oops, I showed my address. Yeah, I got this light from AliExpress and I'm gonna show you what it is and we're gonna see the difference. By the way, you can find like FIFA items at the post office. Alright guys, that's the box. It's a little bit like smushed. And yeah, it's like a selfie ring light for your phone. Hopefully it's gonna help me like get better lighting when I vlog. Guys, it looks like it's gonna rain. By the way, the view at the post office is so nice. Like you can barely see it, but there's like all of West Bay is right here. Where's the car? Oh, there. Okay. Wow, that's so nice. Guys, oh my god, I talked to the camera for like 5 minutes and I wasn't recording. I'm so stupid. I completely forgot everything I said. Yeah, I said good morning and today is Friday and I haven't been vlogging every day because I didn't do much these past few days. I have an allergic reaction to something and I don't know what. It's been like on and off this past winter. It's probably like pollen or something. I don't know. Anyways, my boyfriend comes from Dubai today and my dad comes from Saudi Arabia, so we have like a reunion day kind of. Yeah, I have like a project I have to work on and also YouTube. Like it's just it's a full-time job unless you make it a part-time one, I guess. I'll try to vlog when my boyfriend comes and see what he got me. It's his first time in Dubai and I'm pretty sure he loved it. Like who doesn't love Dubai? Yeah, but me personally, I've been to Dubai many times because I lived in Abu Dhabi for 4 years when I was in school. And yeah, but Dubai changes a lot throughout the years. Like I can't wait to go back there and just, I don't know, it's amazing right now, right? Like Dubai is the new New York of the Middle East, I would say. So yeah, it would be fun to go there someday. He's here. He is here. He is Hey guys.
Hello.
It's us again.
I'm back.
He's back. And guys, if you don't know, in Dubai there's this place called Candylicious, and it's like a candy world basically. And this used to be my favorite thing when I was small, and so he got one for me. There was a bigger one, right?
No, that's the biggest.
But there was smaller.
No. That's the only size.
تذكر كان عنده كذا ساعة كان في بس كان في أكبر.
لا هي أكبر شيء يمكن.
So basically it's like powder candy and it's like different flavors. It's like lemonade, blueberry, probably strawberry or something. I haven't tried this in like 10 years maybe.
Yeah,
Let's see if it's still the same. Still the same. Did you like it?
Yeah, I really like it.
It's his first time trying it. I think lemonade is not the best. I used to love the green apple. Here's a souvenir dirham that he got me. And here's something else he got from Candylicious, because I said I was gonna tell you guys what he gets me. This is from the hotel. Stealing from the hotel. And also I needed a toothbrush, so why not, you know? Oh, a shirt, yeah. He got me a very cute shirt. And it says Habibi and there's Nutella and toast. And this is for age 5 to 6 years old, which is big on me. Like, He doesn't even know that my size is 2 to 3 years old.
Very good.
قول عنده.
Okay.
It's fucking
Happy
incredible.
Not happy birthday. We will miss you.
You, Roger. We will miss you, Roger. We will miss you, Roger. We will miss you,
طب سؤال.
Roger.
بالعاد عيد ميلاده بيطفي الشمعة تعمل أمنية.
أمنية ترجع.
No, thank you.
We don't want you.
You to go.
We don't
هاي
want
مخترعة
you.
فيها.
This is for you.
This is for YouTube لازم ننزل.
What the hell?
وعد تسدية.
وعد تسدية.
We will miss you.
I hope everyone.
Okay, روح صوري عم بينفق.
اوكي حاتمنى انه الكلكم تنزلوا على لبنان.
Forever.
يس بس يصير الوضع منيح اكيد. لا يصير الوضع منيح وتنزلوا. يبطل في قتل كل يوم.
I'll take both.
شو كمان؟
بس that's it.
This is awkward.
That's it.
هي مين طفي؟
مين طفي؟